imagine a world where Tom Hanks, the beloved everyman of cinema, takes on the role of Jerry Maguire instead of the charismatic Tom Cruise. Uh, Sounds intriguing, right? Uh, Before we dive into this alternate universe, remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It means the world to us. Now, let's set the stage. The year is 1996, and a sports film about a young agent named Jerry Maguire is making waves. Cruise's portrayal of the titular character who manages NFL player Rod Tidwell, played by Cuba Gooding Jr., is etched in our memories. But what if I told you that this role was initially conceived for Tom Hanks? Yes, you heard that right. And while we were absorbed in the drama of Jerry Maguire, Hanks was busy with That Thing You Do a lot, and a charming film about a band reminiscent of the Beatles. Imagine him swapping his role as Mr. White for the fast-talking sports agent Jerry Maguire. Cameron Crowe, the writer-director, first saw Hanks in the role, but later decided that Hanks had aged out a bit, a notion that might have surprised Hanks himself. Fast forward to the casting process, where Woody Harrelson was also offered the role but turned it down, expressing skepticism about a movie centered around an agent. Little did he know that Jerry Maguire would go on to be a box office hit and score 5 Oscar nominations. Now let's talk about Tom Cruise's performance, which is this. It's hard to picture anyone else delivering those heartfelt pep talks to Rod Tidwell or declaring love to Dorothy Boyd, played by Renee Zellweger, with such intensity, human coverage, or the chemistry between Cruise and Gooding Jr. was palpable, making it hard to imagine any other actor, including Hanks, in the role. Cruise's portrayal was so compelling that it not only won the hearts of audiences worldwide, but also significantly boosted Zellweger's career. Interestingly, Renee Zellweger's audition for Dorothy was fiercely competitive. Much like Cruise's path to Jerry Maguire, several actresses, including Winona Ryder and Marissa Tomei, were considered for the role, but Zellweger's performance ultimately shone the brightest. And let's not forget about Cuba Gooding Jr., who wasn't the only one in the running for Rod Tidwell. Damon Wayans and McKelty Williamson were also contenders, but Gooding Jr.'s performance was undeniable, earning him an Oscar and a SAG award. In the end, the casting choices for Jerry Maguire proved to be spot on, with each actor bringing their unique touch to the film. It's amusing to think that in an alternate reality, we might have seen Tom Hanks uttering Jerry Maguire's famous lines. But for now, let's appreciate the film as it is, a classic that has stood the test of time. And speaking of time, did you know that if Tom Hanks had taken the role, he might have needed a special pair of running shoes to keep up with Tom Cruise's energy? Just a lighthearted thought to ponder, which Shema, you would, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,